Okay, so now we started the renovation here. We started with the plastic, we were getting that up. Out on that end they're putting up the new strapping. And then once the strapping is up, then I guess the plywood goes up. Okay, so on that end they're starting with putting on the plywood now. Looks like they're putting on their second sheet right now. So, gotta start on that. Good. I'm still helping with the poly, putting that stuff on, so we got the machine guns going. Started with the ceiling and we started on the walls as well. So that end wall is done. This wall is being worked on, so we have to take out the fans, the wiring, or partly take out the fans that they can put the plywood behind the fans, and then rewire the fans. And on that end they're just about done with the ceiling, so getting along. So now we've finished work for the day. I put in these pieces, these insulation stops. We just laid a piece of plywood on top so that we can blow insulation up and that it doesn't come back down, but that we can also heat in here. So we got all that done, and that wall is almost done. It looks like it just needs the top strip yet. We're closing up the fan so that it can start heating up in here for painting. I'm not sure if painting happens tomorrow or the day after, but yeah, we're going to start painting here in a day or two. So that's why we close up all the fans. It's getting kind of dark in here then. We have to set up light. So we're back here again. We've got feet coming in this one. We've got the paint delivered today. The duct is being worked on right now. It's getting close to done, but still a little bit more that needs to be worked on that end out there. And since we have all the fans closed, we have to have light set up so that we have some light. These sheets are going to be going right in here. So on this end it looks like they're pretty much done. The duct there, we are putting on the electrical line again. I don't know if you can see the green laser that they've got on there. The laser set up on the ceiling, and then they can make a straight line. So yeah, and then on that end they're blowing in the insulation already. So all the holes and everything, and it goes up into one of these holes. That's where they're going. Out there they've got the blower, and up here the insulation is being blown in. Somewhere, it's all dark up here, but somewhere, oh, way out yonder there's some light. That's where they're blowing it in.
We're just putting on the second coat of primer, and we're going to be putting on 2 coats of oil-based primer to get a good seal on it, and then later we're going to put one coat of semi-gloss. As you can see right here, you can see the plywood for the first coat, but second coat going on is covering it up very nicely.